Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete account on Microsoft Teams. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website and sign into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find your profile photo. Click on it. Upon clicking your profile, you'll see an option labeled My Microsoft Account. Clicking on My Microsoft Account will take you out of Teams and into the broader realm of your Microsoft account settings. Once you're viewing your Microsoft account, you'll spot an option that says Your Info at the top of the page. Click on this. Your Info is where Microsoft consolidates everything about you. Here, scroll down and you will see an option, Close Account. Clicking Close Account initiates the process to permanently delete your account. But pause here for a moment. Closing your account is a big step. It means saying goodbye not only to Teams, but all services associated with this Microsoft account. Emails, files stored in OneDrive, subscriptions, everything will be gone. So take a breath, ensure you've backed up any data you want to keep, and if you're sure, proceed. The website will guide you through a series of confirmations and steps to ensure you understand the consequences of your decision. And that's it. So that is how you can delete account on Microsoft Teams. So that's all for this video. Thanks.